good morning. We just came from Rojas. Now we're here in Calibo. Punta tayo ng Katiklan, Boracay for our classmates' wedding. And we're now here at Ceres Terminal. Pulo, meron tayong charging station. Calibo to Katiklan is 157. If you're coming from Iloilo and you'll be riding Ceres bus, that's 510 pesos. Look at this one. Meron po tayong CR sa ating bus. You know, last ko na punta dito was 2021 and I was on my way to Kaluya. We have here tourist and non-tourist lane. Boracay residents, same day transaction. I'm not sure saan ako pupunta. I think I'll go on the tourist lane. So, diretso tayo dito sa entrance ng port. We'll be entering the tourist lane. Once we get inside, meron din namang numbers on what to do registration. Kailangan mag-fill up ng form, hotel voucher, valid IDs, and passport pag foreigners. We will be paying environmental fee, and local 150, pag foreigner 300, then we have the boat ticket for 50 pesos. And before I miss, meron din terminal fee, another 150 pesos. No, I just destroyed my jacket. Look at that. Kita nyo ba? Because my bag is so heavy. So, iniwan ko muna yung bag ko. Pasok na tayo here. Naka-separate lane yung Aklanon and the tourist. Afternoon. Okay. Pump boat here. Thank you. We will go to Princess Uno. Asan si Princess Uno? Where? That's our pump boat. Okay. I'm gonna close this phone, yeah. For the meantime, mahulog po tayo. Alright. We just got aboard. We will ride a tricycle going to our hotel. And I am actually here to attend to my classmate's wedding tomorrow. I'm so excited kasi susurprise natin isa nating subscriber. And I'll just surprise you also. I'll be having another vlog with him. Hopefully, on duty siya bukas pag pumunta tayo sa kanyang pinagtatrabahuhan. Alright, eto na Boracay! Mukhang naninibago ata ako. Iba yung binabaan namin before. Doon kami before bumaba and we walked over here maghanap ng sasakyan. Okay, let's check kuya. Manong, gagi ka sa Hana Hotel. Hana Hotel is on Station 1. This is Boracay. It's Balabag Wetland. We came there from the municipio. Dito tayo. Ito yung landmark. Gym ata siya. Then we'll get inside here. And here, pag hindi ka talaga taong gala. There! Hana Hotel, Boracay. Pasok tayo. Ooh, it's so nice. Anong area? Doon kami sa area. Okay. Let's get inside. Ang ganda. It looks like kahit malayo siya sa beachfront, pero beach na beach talaga yung datingan niya. Okay. Good afternoon. Hey, that's Ruby Face. Say hi. Yes, hello. Welcome, Danielle. Yay! My baby boy and my baby girl. Hello to the vlog. Yay! Hello mga kabangbang. Nandito na po tayo sa loob ng Hana Hotel. So this is our room. And kakakain ko lang ng lunch. I did not take photo anymore sa aking pagkain kasi nagugutom talaga ako. It's so hot outside. And I really feel so tired. Gusto kong matulog. But since kakakain lang natin, so I'm thinking twice kung matutulog ba ako, maliligo or whatever. Well, my peers are there nagpunta ng salon. Dahil hindi na po tayo magpapasalon kasi I would like to prioritize my sleep for this hour. And ayun, they thought I was heartbroken. My gosh, actually it's true. Sino ba hindi maka-heartbroken as a food vlogger? Tapos nag-surgery tayo last December. And ngayon, hindi pa siya totally Okay, no, yung pangako. And I was thinking if I will also do the prank I did to my classmates in photography, pero baka baka iba yung maaabutan ko pag pinrank ko yung mga kaklase ko nung high school. But let's see if we'll be enjoying the night with our bride and the groom. And mai-insert natin yung prank natin. So, see you later sa wedding na mismo, mga kabangbang. And let's eat! Let's eat! Let's enjoy the night kasi makakakain na ako. Nakakakain na ako! We are now on our way to Lynn, and look at this one! Mimi! And the lovely ladies in front of me. Ayan lang! Grabe! Yay! Wow! Uy! Grabe ba? Miss you?
Bongga, kagid bala.
Yes! Oo, syempre! Alala siya ganyan.
Demanding TF.
I-check ko ang number of
I did not take a
minutes.
bath and then I asked you to come with me and then one day, andun na ako sa vlog mo. Hi people, this is basically talent extortion of this.
That's friendship extortion. Yeah, congratulations! Best wishes! Oh my God! Ay, recorded. Pa-picture tayo na subong.
Wala role ni Subong.
Wala.
Pride. Makihalubilo for everyone. Wala role ni Subong.
Wala.
Makihalubilo for everyone.
There is you again. Hi, mommy. Oh, siyempre ako pa mo yan. Kaya nagulam ko actually isang small na payong. Diba? May small na payong siningan. Kaso, yung balik ko kay auntie, so wala ko gindala. So, big akong payong. Ano ba? May baby man sila. Husband mo, galiabi ko mga bata mo. Di ba picture na ta? Picture kami yan, Ivy. Wow, grabe. Wishes, Charm and Oscar. I hope you'll be having a great time here in the Philippines, and once you're back in Sweden, I wish you all the best for new family, for your new family as husband and wife, and God bless you. Enjoy your dance. Let's go, Crystal. Let's go.
Yeah, meet your class. Hello.
Oh! Yes, of course, of course. Why not?
It's her mission, hindi lang kami yung mamonetize. We're all being,
Monetize or demonetize?
Ah, grabe talaga.
you take Oscar as your lawful husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love, to cherish and to honor, till death do you part.
You do.
And now let us hear the exchange of personal vows, and may I request Oscar.
I'm just gonna try to not pass out for a while. Okay, I'll do my best. 4? Okay. Nice. Charm. Back in our Dubai era, when we'd only been together for a couple of months, one of your friends pulled me aside at a party, and she told me very seriously that, Oscar, just so you know, if you are loved by Charm, you're extremely lucky. There's a lot left. And at the time, I'm not sure if I realized just how true that was. But that is something that I have learned throughout the years to be a perfect description of you as a person. You do not treat strangers poorly. You treat acquaintances very well. But the people you love, they get a whole different level of treatment. They get the VIP Charmaine Platinum 24/7, 365 days a year. And I know that I could wake you up in the middle of the night on a random Tuesday and ask you for help with anything. And no matter how much effort it would take on your part, I know that you would help me if I said it was important. And so, you deserve the universe, Charm. And any and all parallel universes that might be discovered in the future. You deserve them as well. I've heard there's potentially quite a few. And I've actually been working on a time machine for the past few years. And this is something I started doing after you told me stories about how when you were young, there were times where you could not afford food for the day, or to buy bread, or the school supplies that you wanted. And however sad that may be, and it is extremely sad, I know that this shaped you as a person and molded you into the person that you are today, which is the most loving, caring, and generous person that I've ever met. But when you are as caring and as loving as you are, and when you are the one who a lot of people rely on, and everyone goes to with questions and when they need help, it's easy to forget that you also need someone that you can rely on and lean on. And so my vow to you, my promise, is to always be that person. I will always be Team Charm, no matter what. No matter if that team is winning or losing, right or wrong, I'm gonna defend you till the end. And I cannot promise that I'll be able to finish that time machine to give young Charm all the things that she wanted and deserved. But I promise to do my best and anything and everything that I can to give the present day as well as the future Charm anything that her heart desires. And just like I told you almost 7 years ago, and excuse my pronunciation, huwag kang mag-alala, akong bahala. I love you, Charm.
Honey, since we got engaged, I have hyped so much about how good my vows were gonna be. I wrote my vows when we got engaged in 2020. but I lost my phone with the notes, and I had to write this new one last night. But you have waited 1,032 days for this since the engagement, so here it comes. I vow to always listen to all your stories, no matter how long. Our family knows how you can make a 3-second event into a 30-minute worth of story, complete with elaborate actions and very detailed description. I vow to listen to every word. I vow to always give you my attention. Every time you say, "Hun, hun, hun, look at me dance. Look at my new moves. Look at my TikTok. Look at this circus trick." I will give you my full attention. I vow to listen to your life reflections at 3 a.m. when we are just laying down in bed and talking about our life in general, how we have matured but still have a lot of growing up left to do, or our dreams and life aspirations that we will one day achieve together, our action plans, next steps, our future. I will always love those deep talks with you, and I vow to continue doing it and do it as much as we can. I know these are just small promises, not as big as yours, but I know that we already have the big things. You know how much I love you. You know I am in love with you. You know how much I respect you. And you know I will always take care of you. I will protect you from everyone, anyone. Just tell me who. I'm here to save you. I will lift you up and cheer on you. You don't need me to promise that because we already have these. I have been living this fairy tale for 7 years with my best friend, my partner in life, and my favorite person in the world. I love all of our milestones together. Our Dubai days, our different milestones in Sweden. Now we have a wedding in the Philippines. Who knows what's next? But what I really love the most are the small things. Our crazy dance moves in the kitchen while we're frying eggs. Our little songs with our own versions of lyrics that we sing in the sofa. Our little blanket fights. Our short elevator dance on our way to throw garbage. Our little cuddles in between meetings while working from home. I love every moment of my life with you. The big ones and the small ones even more so. And I vow to do all of these small things for you, with you, every day, for better or for worse, till death do us part.
Charmaine, Oscar, you have declared before all of us that you will live together in marriage. You have made special promises to each other, which have been symbolized by the joining of hands, taking of vows, and the giving and receiving of 2 rings. By the authority vested upon me by the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. Dear friends, your presence and participation in this sacred and joyful occasion have added meaning and happiness to the lives of Charm and Oscar. May you continue to sustain them in your concern as they grow together. May I present to you Mr. and Mrs. John Oscar and Charmaine Noreen. Oscar, you may now kiss your beautiful bride.
Tama?
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!